Moving on, next is formats of cash flow statement. So there are two formats or two different types of formats that are acceptable or that are generally used to prepare cash flow statement: direct format and indirect format. Direct format is a simple format in which you just list down the inflows and list down all the outflows, and you take the difference between inflows and outflows, and that becomes your net cash flow. So for example, I take cash from customers, cash paid to supplier, dividend received, interest and financial expenses paid, tax paid, all the inflows and all the outflows, and this gives me net cash flow from operating activities. This is direct method. Indirect method is the one in which you do not take actual cash figures, but you start with net income. So you take net income, then you make a series of adjustment to net income to arrive at cash flow from operations. That is indirect method. Indirect method, you directly take cash receipts and cash payments, and you take the difference. In indirect method, you first take net income, then you make adjustments to net income to arrive at your cash figure. So remember the difference between both of these. Secondly, this difference will only be there for cash flow from operations. For cash flow from investments and for cash flow from फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज, बोथ द मेथड्स विल गिव यू द सेम फॉर्मेट. क्योंकि हम डायरेक्ट मेथड यूज करें या इनडायरेक्ट मेथड यूज करें, कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग में हम लेते ही डायरेक्ट कैश इनफ्लोज और कैश आउटफ्लोज हैं, और कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम फाइनेंसिंग में भी हम लेते ही डायरेक्ट कैश इनफ्लोज और आउटफ्लोज हैं. हम कोई नेट इनकम लेकर एडजस्टमेंट नहीं कर रहे होते. लेकिन कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस में इन इनडायरेक्ट मेथड वी स्टार्ट विद नेट प्रॉफिट, then we make a series of adjustments, and then we arrive at cash flow from operations. In direct method, we start with cash receipts, then subtract cash payments, and arrive at net cash from operating activities. Any confusion so far till here? So we did three components of cash flow statement and two formats, and within these formats you should be able to identify these figures. How we calculate these figures is important, and that will be done later, but for now just remember